Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to book a trip on trip.com. In order to do so, first off you're going to want to make sure that you go to ca.trip.com, and once you're there you should see a screen that looks like this, and then from here you can even install this on your desktop for easier access. We're not going to do that, but from here you can see that you can now start searching for the trip that you're interested in. So, for example, if I wanted to go to Los Angeles, let's say we just leave it at that and hit search. You'll see then now that I'm even getting a request to log in with google.com. So I will go ahead and do that. If you want to create your own account with your own email, then you can click on the sign in button up at the top right hand corner, and you should be asked for details on signing up and signing in. I am now signed in, so whatever choices we make will be saved to my email address, and now we can search by a variety of parameters and find somewhere that looks semi nice to stay. Then from there we can hit select rooms, and then from here you have a variety of other choices that you can make. We can hit reserve, and then you'll be brought to a confirmation screen, and you can select next step, final confirmation. You have to put in your surname, your given name and your surname, and your phone number. I'm not going to go through that, but you can enter in your name, and once you're done you can go to final confirmation, and from there you can pay for your trip. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.